So I have an interesting project tonight, and this is a rod off of a riding lawnmower. It just holds the deck in place. It's supposed to be straight. It's got the hole in the middle, but it got stretched and bent, and I need to weld it up, and it has to pass through a hole, so I can't put gussets or anything on the side, and I need the hole to be roughly where it is. So I'm going to show you a couple things that may help you get through a similar project, or just a trick you can use on other repairs that you guys may be doing. So here we go. So step one is going to be grinding off some of the edges and making a relief V in all these spots so that I got a place to put weld metal and straighten these parts back out. So now here comes the trick of getting these lined back up and not filling in the hole completely. This is 3 pieces of copper wire I just twisted together with a drill, and it's about the right size for what the hole used to be. I'm going to use that in the middle. I'm going to use that in the middle where the hole is, and I'll be able to weld right next to it, and hopefully it won't stick to the copper, just like a copper backing spoon for flat metal welding. The other benefit is copper is a lot easier to drill out than weld metal, so we're gonna see if we can get these lined up on here. So this is just a cheap Harbor Freight alignment magnet, and I've got get my copper spacer back in. And now I'm ready to tack weld it, flip it, tack weld it, and see how well the copper preserves that hole. That's okay. I'll smooth that out, drill it out, and it should be good as new. Hey, look, it's even straight. Quick stop at the drill press, drill that copper out, and she's ready to go. Pretty well done. Saved me having to center punch and drill through hardened weld metal and all that crap. It's just drilling out copper. Easy peasy. Thanks for watching.